What did Suzie send you? Huh? What did Suzie send you? You are so right. We're getting ready to go on a road trip. Due to the generous donations that's been coming in, I have sought out a new vet. Not a new vet, that's not true, but a second opinion. One that gets to see a lot more primates. He's going to look at the broken tooth that she's got. And he is also going to look at her hernia. What did she send your kitty cats? What did you get for kitty cats, Angel? She loves to open cans. This is her favorite pastime. If I had money to just buy this monkey cans to open, she would just sit and open cans. This is her favorite thing in the world. She just loves to dig. She loves gifts. Did you check it all out? Hold on, I'll get it. It's so rotten. I think that's far enough. Angel! Well, guess I'll get busy. Thank you, Suzie, and I will pick this up. It will go into baggies, and it will get used. Thanks so much. So I'm going to go feed my kitty cat, Suzie. Right after she gets a jerk. I'll keep you updated on what the vet says. See her little belly. Some days it sticks out way worse than others. I just want to make sure everything's okay. And since I got so many other people helping me take care of her, we're going to get her the best that we can. It's 2 hours away, so it'll be a 4-hour day. So, road trip for the Angel. She's, hold on. Let me see where your comb is. This is what you want. Okay. What? What? Thanks for loving me. It's making my life so much better. And I tell you, between the Glucerna drinks, the Pedialyte, the nuts, the knowledge that I've gotten from y'all, that, oh my gosh, her life is just... I can see it in her eyes, how much better it is. Thanks, you guys. Thanks. The face is spoiled.